Hey guys, NielVTEC here. Today we're going to be talking about the common problems and issues on an Acura RSX. Luckily I done most of these problems, but I've seen enough RSX to know what I'm talking about. So look for this when you're planning on buying this car. The first common problem is the seat being very sensitive. You'll be very lucky to find one of these without a tear, and this is one of the main reasons why I always put a towel on it to prevent damaging it. The second issue is the failing actuator. They're destined to fail and there's really nothing you can do about it. Replacing one of these could be very expensive, but if you do it yourself, it's going to take you multiple hours to do. The third is the brake line. When a car has a lot of mileage on it, the handbrake typically won't work because one of the brake line will need to be replaced. The next common issue is the valve cover gasket leak. If it's leaking oil, it's probably coming from the valve cover gasket. So look around here and all the way around. The fifth common problem is the taillight gasket leak. You'll need to replace one of these if you have water in your taillights or in your spare tire compartment. It's very important to keep an eye on this to prevent any rust issues. The last and the biggest issue is the rust these cars have. They typically grow around the rear fenders here, and underneath the car, so look at the floor when you're searching for rust. Also, the door side tends to rust very badly. So if you're planning on buying one of these cars and you plan on keeping it for a very long time, make sure to search for an RSX that's not been driven during the winter in the snow. And yeah. And the Acura RSX has the Honda reliability, so there's not really any big issues to look for other than the rust. If you're looking to buy one, make sure to use all of these common problems to your advantage to lower the price. Anyways, if this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to more videos like this, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.